Hey friends, it's Miss Ferfino. I hope you're all doing well. This week in social studies, we're actually going to be talking about historical figures. And you've probably already watched the Pebble Go today for Stephen F. Austin. And what a historical figure is, it's a famous person in our history. And Stephen F. Austin was one of those people. As you can see, I printed this picture and put it here for you to see. And there were different facts that Pebble Go told us about. And today we're going to write about 3 different things that we know and that we learned about from Stephen F. Austin just by watching Pebble Go. And I know one of the things we learned was that he was called the father of Texas. So I'm going to put father of Texas because that's his nickname and what people called him. He was known as the father of Texas. Also, he served in our U.S. government. So one of the facts I'm going to write is served in the U.S. government. And government's kind of a long word. All right, so we know he was called the father of Texas. We know that he served in our U.S. government. He also organized settlers. So this was part of his job, was organizing settlers. And one of the last things I want to write about Stephen F. Austin was he worked really hard to get land from Mexico. So Texas wasn't a state yet, but he worked really hard to get land. So he worked hard to get land, and I'm running out of space, from Mexico. So Mexico had some land. They wanted it to be a part of Texas, and he fought really hard for that to happen. So just as a review, this is Stephen F. Austin. This is his picture. He was known as the father of Texas. He served in our U.S. government. He organized settlers, and he worked really hard to get some land from Mexico. So tomorrow we're actually going to be going over a different historical figure, and we'll keep adding to our chart. And on Friday, we'll actually use 2 different historical figures and compare them. So each day we'll keep adding. So tomorrow will be George Washington. We'll keep you updated.